Hello, good evening. My name is Eliana. This is before my trip. 1. I look for the destination. 2. I check the checkbox flee according to my destination. 3. I buy the tickets online with my credit card. 4. I book the hotel. 5. I pack my travel suitcase. During my trip, I unpack my suitcase at the hotel. I wear comfortable clothes on go on a tour. I go sightseeing. I have a dinner at the restaurant. I put on my bathing suit, go to the beach. After my trip, I unpack my suitcase at home. I gave my family the summaries from the trip. I publish the photos on my social networks. I continue with my daily activities. I plan my next day. Thank you. Bye.